Hello kids! Welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Let's learn some color names. We have some colors. This is red color, light green color, brown color, purple color, dark blue color, pink color, sky blue color, yellow color, violet color, dark green color, orange color, black color. Let's start 2D drawings. Circle. A triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Rectangle. Heptagon, 7 sides. Pentagon, 5 sides. Semicircle. Let's color these 2D shapes. Dark green color, circle, orange color, orange color, triangle, purple color, purple color, rectangle, dark blue color, blue color, heptagon, yellow color, yellow color, pentagon, sky blue color, semicircle. Let's revise. Circle, triangle, rectangle, heptagon, pentagon, semicircle. Dear kids, do the same practice. प्यारे बच्चों, आप भी इसी तरह प्रैक्टिस करें. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.